So, sightseeing na kami. Still, we are here in Macau. So, grabe yung tao. Look at that, everybody. Hi, MJ, say hi. Oh, free taste again. Another free taste, guys. Ayaw na. Ang dami kasi free taste talaga dito sa Macau. So, nabusog. Nabusog na lahat. Hindi pa kami nag-lunch to sa tama-tama na free. Daming dito. Dinaanan namin free taste. Kaya, tuwang-tuwa naman ang mga kabataan. Diba, kuya? Tingnan natin, yan. Puro free taste na to. Kaya kahit wala kang kain dito, okay lang. Mabubusog ka rin eventually habang nag-iikot. Yan, that's the egg tart. Famous egg tart in Macau. That's pork jerky. Ayan, I think yan yung famous dito. Yung binili natin. Ginagawa talaga nila habang binibenta, pinapakita yung kung paano gawin. There you are. It's the best. How about egg tart? Is it the best?
Yeah.
You like it?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. What's that? What's that? I try. Daddy. Matamis, Dad? Matamis? 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 Ha? Matamis? Yan, may buko juice din sila, oh. Hi, Daddy. Ayan, may kainan. Ano na? Makakakain pa ba kayo? Let's see what we can have here as our official lunch for the day. Hanap tayo ng medyo sabaw-sabaw. Gumad tofu. Gumad tofu. Try here, oh. Try here. Ano kaya yan? Spicy?
Spicy this one？还要吗？辣的再来一点，不辣来一点。